Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how I prepare my reference images. I always use drawing guides or grid lines both on my reference photo and my canvases. Start by importing the reference photo directly into Procreate first. To do that, open Procreate, click on Photo, select the image from the Photos app in your iPad. Now go to Settings, go to Canvas, turn on Drawing Guide, click on Edit Drawing Guides. Immediately you can see the grid lines on the image. But we need something bigger. Here under 2D grid, increase the opacity, thickness and grid size. Personally, I keep the opacity and thickness to the max and adjust the grid size such that one eye roughly comes under 1.5 square. Click Done to exit. Click on the small arrow at the top. Now slightly decrease the size of your image. Move it a little so that the cross junction of 4 square lines lines up with the center between the eye, and you are done. To change the drawing guides colors, you can go to Edit Drawing Guides again and drag the colors bar at the top to white. Now you have your reference image. But wait, there is a problem here. If you try to save this image, Procreate won't save the drawing guides with the image. To get past this, take a screenshot and crop out the image later. So now you can delete the image layer and add a new layer. Go to Settings, Canvas, turn on Reference. In the small pop-up window, click on Image, then Import Image and select the screenshot we just took. Move the reference window using the small dash at the top to the corner, and you can then adjust the image as you like. And there you have it. You just create a superb reference image for your portrait. Hope this video helped you. Please consider subscribing my channel and I will be uploading a ton of videos. Bye bye for now.